The Typo QED quality mark is specific for the Welsh housing sector and stands for Quality in Equality and Diversity. Newydd decided to attempt to obtain this quality mark in 2021, and we were thankfully and very successfully and happily awarded it in 2022 after a lot of work. The importance of data for us as an organisation is to make sure that we're able to tailor our services to our tenants.
My specialty area is reporting, so I look after reporting and all of the data that goes into those reports. Since I've been in my position and people have started making more use of the data that we have, people have got more accustomed to pointing out errors, pointing out inconsistencies, and particularly pointing out where there are gaps in our data, so that we can either backfill them or we can sort of look to, in future, make sure that information is captured.
I think the difference here at Newydd is that we've got senior management team buy-in. Our chief executives and our directors absolutely see the importance of this data.
One thing that has been quite apparent since my role has existed is that people have a much better appreciation of the data that we have available. Data that relates to tenants, tenancies, housing, it's all of our information, it's everyone's responsibility. And I think that's something that the organisation is getting a lot better at.
Having reliable data is all about making informed decisions. We want to ensure that our resources are being dedicated to the specific areas they need. Without the data evidence to actually back that up, how can we make that choice?